Stop right there. If you've never tasted real cassava fufu, you're missing out on a true West African treasure. And if yours keep turning out lumpy, sticky, or with funky smell or more, don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make that super smooth, stretchy, and totally irresistible cassava fufu just the way our grandmama did make them. Hello everyone and welcome back to Queen Varieties channel, where variety is the spice of life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video with your friends and loved ones. Thank you. For this recipe, you'll require 5 to 6 tubers of cassava. You're going to use the knife to cut it into different sizes just to enable the peeling process to go easily. I will also use the tip of the knife to drive right into the peels of the cassava just to eliminate the skin. This is very easy to do. It doesn't take much of your time. Just be patient and you see how simple it is to do that. Once the peeling process is done, you're going to use the knife and eliminate that thing that looks like rope at the center part of the cassava. It is not edible. You're going to eliminate it because it's going to mess up with the outcome of your fufu. Cut into different chunks as little as my blender can contain. That's just everything about it, because we in diaspora, we're not going to pound our fufu, we're going to blend it. Okay, here on the surface I have set a bowl filled with water. I'll transfer the cassava chunks inside it. Take my time and rinse it very neatly. This step is very crucial because you don't want to eat dirt. Okay, I'll take it off camera, rinse it properly, and then bring it back. Now I'm done with the rinsing process. I've set a pot with water inside it, and then I'll pour the cassava chunks inside there. Top it up with more water. This is very important because we are going to ferment this cassava for 3 to 7 days. Just because we want to eliminate the cyanide content in the cassava to avoid any poisoning. Okay, 7 days later, this is what the outcome of the liquid looks like. You can see the water looks sour. I will take it off camera and then wash it carefully. After the rinsing process, I have put the cassava chunks inside my sieve. I'll start blending step by step. I will include at least 2 to 3 cups of water. That's the total cup of water I used in blending the cassava. And then I'll be adding the cassava into the blender gradually until the blending process is done. The cassava has been blended. I'm going to pour the batter right into the pot through a sieve. Okay, this is just to remove, maybe in case you have any dirt or whatever that might fall inside there, you just have to eliminate it. Or in case your blender could not blend everything, you're going to pass it through the sieve. I'm showing you the consistency of the batter. It's not too thick and it's not too light. I am also cooking on medium settings. My cooker settings is between 0 to number 9. I'm going to cook this cassava on number 4 heat. So somewhere between 4 and 5, I'm going to be cooking that. Okay, I suggest that if you're a beginner, use your whisk just to regulate the heat and not to end up with fufu that is very lumpy. If you're a pro, of course, you can continue with your wooden spatula to knead. I also suggest that you use a non-stick pot because it makes the kneading process easier. You will see what I'm talking about towards the end. You're going to stir this fufu patiently until the consistency changes. So far, I have been cooking for at least 12 minutes or thereabouts. You can see our fufu has formed. I'll add more water into the pot, and here we're going to cook this for extra 10 minutes on low heat. 10 minutes later, we are going to knead everything properly. Notice I'm showing you 2 colors here. One area is creamy, the other area is still very white. That's because the fufu is not completely cooked. It is very important that you cook your cassava fufu properly, otherwise you might end up with poisoning. Okay, it's very crucial that you allow it to reach the highest cooking point. You want the outcome to be as creamy as what you can see me hold in my hand right here. See, our fufu is formed, not too thick and not too light. I'm going to use a spatula again to gather the fufu together. That's everything about it. It is ready, uniform color, no whitish area. Everything is creamy and ready. Look at why it is important you use a non-stick pot. Everything came out. I'll transfer the fufu now right into the pan and then knead it. If you don't want to do this method, all you're going to do is to use a cling film and foil your fufu. If you don't want to eat your fufu today, you can as well put the fufu right inside your freezer or refrigerate it, okay? So this video now is up on my blog. Don't forget to check it. Enjoy your fufu with any soup of your choice: Ogbono soup, Okra soup, Egusi soup. I'm enjoying my own with this vegetable sauce. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I hope you have enjoyed today's video, and if you have, don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember, you're watching Queen Varieties channel, where variety is the spice of life. Until I come your way next time, stay blessed and love. God bless you. Bye for now. Thank you.